have a nice package, and let us open it. Let us see what's inside the package. Wow. Wow, we have these. Oh, it's very many. Another package. Wow, we have another package. Let us open it. Let us look what is inside. We have this. Wow. Wow. And these. Nice package. Wow, we have neem oil. Wow, we have amina powder. Wow, we have rosemary seed. Wow, we have ferret grig. Wow, we have moringa leaf powder. Wow, we have glove. Wow, we have plastic gold. Wow, very nice. We have to use this every product we have to use to make our cream for our hair. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video. Bye.